Hi, welcome to this video. To build a dynamic pivot table dashboard in Excel, convert your data into an Excel table. This ensures your pivot tables and charts automatically update whenever you add new information. Insert multiple pivot tables for different metrics, connect them to pivot charts, and use slicers to create a fully interactive interface. So let's start with the base here, right? Prepare the data source first, select your raw data, and then press Ctrl plus T to convert it into an Excel table, right? Next, go to that table design tab and give your table descriptive name like sales data, right? Now create the pivot tables, right? Go to insert pivot table, choose to place it on a new worksheet, and you can name this sheet, for example, analysis, right? And then hit create once you select that data range, right? Drag fields into the rows, columns, and values areas to build your first analysis. For example, product in rows, revenue, and values. So repeat this process to create separate pivot tables for each metric you want to display on your dashboard. For example, sales by region, monthly trends, and then generate a pivot chart. Okay. Inside insert, you're gonna go ahead to the pivot chart, right? Basically, choose a chart type, right? Like a bar or column chart that best represents your data. Right click the chart and choose hide all field buttons on chart for a cleaner look, and cut by using Ctrl plus X the chart and paste Ctrl plus V into a new blank sheet named, for example, dashboard. Repeat this for your other pivot tables. So lastly, you're gonna add interactivity with slicers. Click on any pivot chart on your dashboard, right? And just go to the pivot chart analyze tab and click insert slicer. Check the fields you want to filter like region, month, category, and click OK. So unfortunately, I don't have sufficient data here, but in your case, if you have like really organized, basically, data, then you can go ahead and work that out, right? Because the slicer will initially only control one chart, right click the slicer edge and select report connections. Check all the pivot tables on your list so that one click will filter your entire dashboard simultaneously, right? And of course, arrange your charts neatly across your dashboard sheet. Format your charts and layout with a consistent color theme so the dashboard looks polished and professional. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.